Welcome. In front of me I have the SUUNTO Vertical 2, and I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the watch itself. So, now the version that I have in front of me is the all black. Now, for reference, there are several different variants of this device. So we have all black, we have also Arctic gray, Canyon, and we have pine green. So these are all the stainless steel versions, and then there are also titanium versions, which will be more expensive. That is the titanium black and also the titanium sage. So kind of greenish. Now the difference is about $100 extra for the titanium version of this device. Now this obviously will be the cheapest one as it's all black, meaning stainless steel. Anyway, let's pop that open and get in here. So we got the box. We got also some little motivational speaking or whatever. Adventure starts here, blah blah blah. You mean expenses start here. Anyway, let's pop it open. Now in here we get our charging cable. It's magnetic with a braided Type-C cable. That's pretty nice. And a feldspar basically. Just gonna get more light on here so you can see this. So this is like a fabric right here. Pretty nice to touch. Now in terms of holding your device in place, obviously it won't really succeed compared to something like a rubber surface. Anyway, in here, nothing else if you can actually see through that blackness. Now here we get some paperwork. I'm not even going to bother taking it out. Then here we have our watch. And that's a chunky watch. It has some heft to it. Now I don't know if I can boot it up without the cable. We'll see in a second. Maybe this one. Oh, there we go, it's booting up. Here we have some get started, so starting guide, some manual, and that's about it. And the strap itself. So here we go. So let's clip that on automatically so we can see how that looks like. Come on. Oh boy. Huh? Oh, there we go. Took me a moment of like fiddling around. Come on. Where is it? Oh, nope. Okay. Got it on there. Now here you can see the massive display. So that is a pretty substantial display right here of, I did have it open somewhere and I just lost it, great. So 1.5 inches AMOLED display. Going over like some of the features right here very quickly, we have free offline maps right here with improved navigation, about up to 65 hours of battery life, 115 plus sport modes, built-in LED light, which is right here, and improved heart rate sensor. Now, in terms of the battery, we have a couple different modes right here that I can choose from, and on SUUNTO's own website they're advertising two different things. So we have up to 65 days with I guess normal mode probably would be the best way to describe it, and the most like accurate GPS tracking, but you can also get up to 250 hours of battery life by basically turning on the travel mode, like battery life. I'm basically translating this as from Polish, so bear with me. So yeah, it's basically like a travel mode, and that will preserve as much battery as it possibly can. It also reduces the accuracy of the GPS tracking, and it turns off the heart rate monitoring. So what you get is primarily a crappy GPS and the highest amount of battery life. So still, 250 hours is very substantial battery life. Now, for day-to-day use, you get up to about 20 days of battery life. So what they're calling is so we have a daily heart rate monitoring. So basically, whatever they have, like a standard mode for it, gets you about 20 days of battery life. Now we also can get up to 30 days by turning some of those off. So anyway, for a device that has a built-in map, offline one with GPS tracking, this is a pretty robust battery life for a device, but it is not going to be running any kind of like Wear OS or anything like that, so you won't have access to additional applications that you can get from like Play Store that you can with something like, for instance, a normal watch like I have right here, or normal watch, smartwatch. It's not a normal watch. So what I just showed was the Galaxy Watch 7, I think it is. And obviously this has access to Play Store, so I can download applications and have a little bit more functionality. But I get to charge this crap every single day. This gets to be charged nearly once per month. So there is a bit of a trade-off. Now another trade-off would be the price tag. This device, it's not cheap. I got this for about, well, second-hand actually, but I got it second-hand nearly when it was released for about $125. Now this, on the other hand side, costs a little bit more. It costs 2,600 PLN, which equates to, I believe it's like $700. Let me quickly check. 611 euros. How about United States dollars? $712. Now that would obviously include tax, but that is a steep price for a smartwatch that doesn't have access to any kind of additional functionalities from like app stores and stuff like that. So it is a very specific watch for a very specific group of people that want a good battery life with specifically GPS tracking and possibly a flashlight on their watch. If it's, you know, hard for you to carry an actual flashlight. So anyway, with that, this watch delivers. It has a massive, nice display on here. But like I said, it is on, it's asking a steep price for it. So anyway, that's about it. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.